You would have all heard the phrase, a picture can tell 1,000 words. And that's true. However, it can tell the wrong 1,000 words. Let's focus on your business. And I don't give a shit what you're selling, right? Are the images you are using, are they damaging your business or are they being helpful? There's a good chance, either in the past or currently, your images are harming your business, which means it's harming your bank balance. The ripple effect is all your loved ones are getting harmed as well. Now, you might think that's a little extreme. However, it's on point. You are better off when you post the image. That's why you should never post an image without a caption, right? But get a good blurb about what that image is.